All right, hi, James with the 1hoursmarthome.com, and today what we've got in front of us is a Google Home. So we're just going to unbox this and talk a little bit about it while we open it up. So kind of a cool little box here they've got. Cuts in half, just a neat feature. This is the Google Home. You can see it's got a base there where you plug in the power. The bottom is a speaker. And then you've got a microphone, it looks like, and the mute microphone button right here. So this thing lights up at the top once it's plugged in. So let's see what else is in the box here. I don't know, this is some kind of, just a piece of cardboard or whatever to make it look nice in there. Get started. Let's see, I can't even get this out. Okay, there's a little tab in there. So it's got a get started card. Open that up. Tells you how to go turn this thing on, make it work. Google Home is great if you want to be able to control smart home devices with your voice or have all the features of Google Home, which allows you to ask it questions. Okay, and the last thing here is just a cord. So we'll plug this thing in, get it set up. We'll do another video on that, but nice little device. It's got a nice, form factor to it. It looked nice on this white table here, so that's kind of a cool feature. But this is bigger than the Google Home Mini. It is louder than the Google Home Mini, and it's got a touch surface screen up here. It doesn't really display anything other than lights, but you can touch this capacitive panel here to change some of the settings on the Google Home. So good to know. But overall, yeah, Google Home. This is what it is. Like I was saying earlier, you can control your smart home devices like your smart thermostat, like a Nest, your smart lighting, your smart locks, and security system using your voice with Google Home. You can also just ask it questions like, what's the weather today? You can ask it questions about what's on your schedule, how long it'll take you to get to work, just general questions about history. You can play podcasts. The one disadvantage I do see over Google Home with Alexa is that it does cost a little bit of money to get a larger amount of music on this. If you've got a subscription to a streaming service, no big deal. But if you don't, one advantage Alexa does have over this is that if you have Prime subscription to Alexa or Prime subscription to Amazon, it will give you Amazon Prime Music for free, which I think is a huge advantage. However, a lot of people really like Google stuff. They like Nest. Google and Nest are part of each other, so this works with all those devices really, really good. And it's just like having a Google web browser in terms of asking it questions in your house. So some people really like being able to just ask it questions, and the versatility you have with a Google device and how well it is good at searching and stuff like that. You can ask it math problems. There's all kinds of stuff you can do with this. So we're going to set this up and show you what's going on. And thank you. Please like this video. We'll put a link to the setup video in another post here, another video post. But please like this video. Please subscribe to this channel and visit us at onehoursmarthome.com if you want to learn more about smart home automation. Thank you.